So, good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing about the competency certification of sources of drug information. Okay. So, what are the objectives? So there are various sources of drug objectives. Okay. So the information might be coming from various sources. Then there are classification. Okay, primary, secondary, tertiary. Then how to select the appropriate source depending on the information for clinical decision making. Then critical evaluation of the reliability of the drug information. Then last is we'll discuss about in brief the role of electronic media in medicine. Okay. So have you heard this term pharmacopoeias before? Okay. So we all know that what is this. So this is an official code containing the selected list of established drugs. Okay. And preparation with the description about the physical properties, identity, purity, and its potency. Okay. There are different pharmacopoeias we have come through, like Indian, British, European, US based, okay, and some international. So these are the pharmacopoeias. So it looks like this, okay. Next comes drugs for formulary, okay. So this includes the notes of the drugs preparations used in the treatment of the diseases and conditions, which will provide information to the doctors, nurses, pharmacists, okay. So this will facilitate the selection of the suitable treatment. Examples are like National Formulary of India, okay, NFI. So there are some reasons here for the how to develop a formulary system, okay, based on the quality, appropriateness of the drug. Then how it will teach us the drug therapy mainly to the junior doctors. Then to promote the evidence of the cost effectiveness of the drug therapy, and also the therapeutic protocols. Okay. Then the Materia Medica. So this is the book containing the origin, constituents, action, and action of the preparation of the drugs. Okay. So first it was done by Dr. K.M. Nathkami. Then it was again revised by the A.K. Nathkarni. Okay. So this is the picture how it looks. Okay. This is Indian. Then some textbooks in pharmacology. This also provides us some information about the source, like essential medical pharmacology, K.D. Tripathi. Okay. Then Pharmacology and Pharmaceuticals by S.D. Bandarkar and Nirmala and Rege. Okay. Then others are clinical based pharmacology. Then Pharmacology 6th edition by Ragne and Dale. Okay. So these are the few textbooks from which also we can get the information. Then fifth is Bulletins. Okay. So this is an independent journal. Okay. Having the articles from the various well-known authors. So this gives us the clinical trials involving new molecules. So when the new molecules will be coming, you will get information here. Okay. And recent developments of the pharmacology. The examples are Indian drugs, IMDA. Okay. Then drug information bulletins. Then IPC drug alerts. Okay. These are the few examples. Okay. Then monographs. So here about a single topic, the information will be present. Okay. There will be a gathering here about a single drug. Okay. So here all the dosage forms, okay, the introduction, all these things will be present here. So this is the picture of a monograph, how it looks like. Okay. Next comes the patient package insert. I think most of you have seen this when we buy a medicine. Okay, inside the package there is an insert. Okay, so here most of the important things were mentioned about the drugs. Okay, like how it should be taken, when it should be taken, the frequency, duration, the indication, okay, the contraindication, and how to store the drug. Okay, so all these things are written here. So the brand name is Hypopen. Okay, this is containing glucagon injection. So what is glucagon? Can you tell? So in which cases we give? In which cases? Apply your common sense. Huh? In diabetes, the glucose is already high. You will further increase the glucose. Huh? Hypoglycemia. Yes. In hypoglycemia, in those cases we prescribe this glucagon. Okay. So it will by the process of gluconeogenesis, okay, from the liver and the other sources, it will increase the level of the glucose in the blood. Okay, that's how it prevents. Okay. So these all the things were based on the current and critical examine relevant data about the drugs, okay, from the patient and the particular situation. Okay, so these are the essential prerequisites for the rational use of drug. Okay, so next comes sources of drug information. Okay, so here various sources are present for the drug information, like primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, so primary source, what it provides, the most up-to-date information. Okay, from here we can get on any particular topic. Then they also form the basis of all other information sources. Apart from this also includes unpublished studies, original articles based on reputed peer-reviewed journals reporting original researches, okay, ideas and or opinions. So this with this we can evaluate and interpret the research articles which we find difficult and requires time in expertise. Okay, and this mostly helps in we can get from the randomized control trials. Okay, this is the most reliable source here. Okay, in primary sources. So these are some pictures of the journals. Okay, Indian journals. Okay, then this is international New England Journal of Medicine. Okay, these are some pictures. Next comes secondary sources. So it also provides quick access to the primary literature. We can refer to the indexing or abstracting systems for easy retrieval of pharmacy primary resources. Okay, this indexing helps us to provide the bibliographic information extended by the topic. So if you want to extend, it can be provided, okay, from this index system. Then comes this indexing system also helps in citation, which provides access to the abstract or link, okay, which contains the full text of the article. So these abstracting systems, it provides both the citation and abstract of the particular article. Sometimes it also provides the link to the full text. Okay, so this is the secondary sources. So here it can be mainly into three main types. Okay, this is peer reviewed journals, okay, which publish new articles like journal watches. Okay, then comes electronic databases that can be used to search primary literature and abstracts. Examples are INDRX, Medicas, okay, Medline, Embase, okay, Micromed, and pharmaceutical abstracts. Okay. And the third one is electronic database that provides evidence-based evaluation. Okay, like these library abstracts, which are available in free. Okay, these are some sites, okay, which you can rely on. Have you seen this PubMed? Okay, okay. This is Embase. Okay, okay. Then last is tertiary sources. Okay, So about this, the information will be well established, easily accessible, and is processed by primary literature. So this is time lagging, and we shouldn't rely on this. Okay, yeah, the updates won't be available here. Okay, some references. Okay, have you heard this Godman and Gilman pharmacology? Okay, Lawrence and Bennett's. Okay, so here are some reference books. Okay, some national and international. So here is a clinical case. Okay, what is CKD? Okay. Here what is happening mainly? The GFR is reducing, and there is increase in the creatinine level. Okay, so the creatinine rate is also you have to see. Okay, it is diminished. Okay, next. So in a normal patient, if we give an antibiotic, what do you think? The same amount of dose can we give in a patient of CKD? Why? Why? No, why? Why there will be toxicity? Yes. So due to the low GFR, the clearance is also reduced. So that is why the dose is to be reduced. Okay. If the maximum therapeutic range is crossed, so it will be going into toxic. That is the main reason. Okay. So here we need to adjust the dose. Okay. So here we can rely on these sites, the Micromedex and VNF. Have you heard these sites? So you can rely on these searches. Okay. So these are international based. Okay. Here if you go and just some sites are you can log in, some sites without logging also we can search. Okay, here we can see. Okay, so this is UK based. Okay, so when a patient of CKD will be coming to you and the patient will be admitted, suppose the patient is admitted or the patient is in oral medication, so at that time you can on the basis of the stage of the CKD, you can check in the sites. Okay, here, and you can advise it. Okay, sometimes we don't get much time for calculation because the patient load will be so much, we won't be getting much time. So you can check those websites for that. Okay, this will be helping you. Next is clinical scenario where an elderly patient is on multiple drugs. Okay, multiple drugs means I am talking about polypharmacy. Okay, what does that mean? More than 5. Yes. Okay. So there is chances of interaction, isn't it? So drug to drug interaction increases. How many drugs should be there? 2, less than equal to 2. Okay, but in polypharmacy it is 5 or more than 5. Okay, so here drug to drug interaction increases. So now here, so during those cases you can check this size. Okay, online sites like Epocrates or Medscape. I think you know. Medscape. Okay. Then scenario 3, a pregnant patient needs medication. Which source is the safest? Primary source. So again, some guidelines and some sources are there, like WHO or FDA. Okay, primarily for pregnancy you should always try to rely on the WHO. Okay, WHO guidelines. Okay, FDA is also okay, good, but you should always try to rely on WHO. Okay, do you think in a normal patient, whatever from he is suffering, and the type of drugs or the medication we are giving can be given to a pregnant patient the same? Why not? Anything special? Anything? Uh-huh. I can't hear you.
For example, in the earlier in the first trimester, it will cause closure of earlier closure of the petal vector.
So in a pregnancy, not only a single life, we should think of the life of the infant also, or the fetus, isn't it? Fetus. So here, every drug should be given by thinking the life of the fetus also, okay? Because some drugs are teratogenic. Some drugs might cause harm to the baby. Some drugs might cause death to the baby also, okay? So that should be in our mind. So every drug is not safe for the cases of pregnancy, isn't it? So there are list of drugs which can be used in pregnancies, which can be used in breastfeeding mothers, okay? If you have the Triparty book, it is written clearly, okay? You can take those into your list, okay? So this evaluation, how you will be doing, okay? So here are 5 points. Based on this, we will be evaluating this, okay? First is the accuracy, from which authority the accuracy has been given, okay? Next is the bias, whether it is biased or not, whether the journal or the evidence is scientific based or emotional based, okay? Then currency, when it is been published, okay? Whether it is recent, okay? The date, okay? Then relevance. Suppose you are searching for the drugs, safest drugs for pregnancies, whether it is relevant or not to that publishment, okay? So based on this, we will be evaluating. So the message is right source, safety, care of the patient which will deliver. Then we shouldn't rely on the oral random searches, okay? Most of the time, which you are trying to do, isn't it? And use of trusted clinical tools. So an exercise for you. So try to find the drug information of the tablet telmisartan from any standard source, which we have said, and present the indications, dose, contraindication, and at least one interaction. You do it and tell me. Indications, diabetes mellitus. Other than this, polycystic ovary syndrome, okay? These are off-label, okay? Other than that, gestational diabetes, okay? Then, what is the dose? 500. What is the maximum? 2550, okay? This is the maximum, okay? You can go in AD. Then, contraindications? Also in cases of severe renal impairment, okay? In cases of that also it is contraindicated, okay? Then one interaction. Ethanol. Achha. Any other drugs? Similidine. Okay. Then what are the sources from where you are getting? No online searches should be done. What are the sources? Medscape. Other sites? PubMed. Okay. This also can be taken. Others? Any interaction?